Hey everyone, welcome. It's Christina from the Glaser Tutoring Company, and today we have a system of equations with three variables. We got x's, we got y's, and we have z's. So we got three variables here. Now in this question we have to determine whether the given ordered triple is a solution to the system of equations. Okay. So a system of equations is just saying that you have two or more equations that might be related to each other, whether they're crossing paths in one, in this case, one triple, or maybe they're the same equation. Now here, since we do have the three equations, 2x minus 6y plus 6z equals negative 12, x plus 4y plus 5z equals negative 1, and negative x plus 2y plus 3z equals negative 1. Since there's three equations here is your system. Okay. Now, the ordered triple that they're talking about, usually we hear ordered pair, because generally we work in 2D for, pre-calculus and algebra, where we only have an x and y coordinate. But now we have a triple. We have three letters here. The first letter is always your x component. Your second letter is always your y. And now you got a new one, x, y, z. So it's easy to remember, right? Because in the alphabet, right, I think it goes T, U, V, W, X. Yeah, W, X, Y, and Z. So it's the three last letters of the alphabet. So in this case, we have an x value of 0, a y value of 1, and a negative 1 value for z. Now just know when you have a z coordinate, you're dealing with three dimensions. So you have your x and your y, and now you have a coordinate that actually goes in front of you and in back of you. That's your three-dimensional axis. Okay, but now we just have to find out if this ordered triple is a solution. So for each one of these, all you have to do is see if it makes the equation correct. So in this case, for the first one, right, 2 times x, all we're doing is plugging in and seeing if the equations are correct. So it would be 2 times, maybe we'll do all this, and then we'll fill it in. So 2 times, I'm just filling this guy out. So 2 times x minus 6 times y plus 6 times the z value equals negative 12. And let's do this, I guess, for all three of them. Now in this case, we have an x value of 0. That's my x value. I have a y value of 1, so I'm going to be plugging in a 1 here. And then I have a negative 1 for a z. The z goes after this, so that's just negative 1. Okay, let's see if this makes sense. So 2 times 0 is 0, minus 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times a negative 1 is a negative 6. And does that equal 12? Let's see. Negative 6 minus 6 is negative 12. Oop, and this should be a negative 12. Negative 12 equals negative 12. So this one is a big check. This makes sense. Okay. Now we just have to do the other two. So for the other two, it's just x. So that would just be a 0. And then we have plus 4 times the y value. The y is a 1. And then we have plus 5 times the z, which is a minus 1. And that should equal a negative 1. Let's see. So 0, so that's nothing, right? 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times a negative 1 is a minus 5. And why did I write a 1 here, right? This is 4. 4 minus 5 equals negative 1. Yeah, 4 minus 5 is a negative 1. And that equals a negative 1. So this is a big check. 2 out of 3 good. Now let's just make sure that the other one is good, right? So we're doing the last equation. So we have negative x was 0. So I'm just going to put a negative 0 in there. We'll fix that in 2 seconds. Plus 2 times y. Y was a 1. And then plus 3 times z. Z was a -1. And this should all equal -1. So -0 is just 0, right? 0 is neither negative nor positive, so it's just 0. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times a -1 is a -3, so 2 minus 3 equals -1. Does this make sense? Yes, it does. -1 equals -1. So, if all of your equations make a correct statement, make a correct numerical statement, where the same number is on the left and the right side, then what do you think? Is this ordered triple a solution? Yes, it is. It is a solution. Which means that this ordered triple is the coordinate, triple. I can't say pair because now we're dealing with x, y's, and z's, but it's the triple in which all of these communicate with each other at one specific moment, which is this triple. So in this case, it is a solution. And we are done. Oh yeah. What'd you think? I hope this helped. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Subscribe, tell your friends, tell your classmates. Check the website out. We got tons of goodies for you guys on there. If you want to check it out. We don't want to let you guys down. We want to be here for you guys in your academic studies. We got physics, chem videos as well on the channel. More subjects to come. And yeah, I hope you're doing well out there. Also, I would like to give a huge shout out to Maricela. Thank you so much for being a member to the channel. Your support means a lot to my brother and me, and we're thrilled to have you be a part of this amazing community. Memberships are open on the channel, and if you want to become a member, just click that join button, which can be found below on any video if you're watching on your desktop, or it can be found on the overall channel page too. For all of you that want your name shown in the video, don't forget to choose the gold tier or higher. Thank you so much for considering, and have a great day. Talk to you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!